Is your Wix website feeling a little sluggish? Let's supercharge its speed in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Wix Editor now. Navigate to your Media Manager. This is where a lot of website bloat likes to hide. Optimize your images. Compress large images without losing quality using tools like Tynib or Imagiptim before uploading them to Wix. Smaller files mean faster loading. Next, let's talk about apps. Head to the Wix App Market and search for Image Optimizer. Some apps can automatically compress images already on your site. Activate Wix SEO Wiz. Wix SEO Wiz can identify other speed-related issues specific to your site and offer personalized recommendations. Enable browser caching. While Wix handles most caching automatically, double-check that you're leveraging browser caching by exploring your Wix Editor settings under the Advanced SEO section. This allows returning visitors to load your site faster. And that's it. By optimizing your images, leveraging Wix SEO Wiz, and enabling browser caching, you can significantly improve your Wix website speed and keep your visitors happy.